Good day, viewer. I'm here to discuss what I have learned in networking. The first thing I have learned is what networking means, and that is referred as the connectivity of computers electronically for sharing of information. That can be file and some media or can be printers and softwares too. Connectivity of computers can be through wires, optical fibers, or optical links for the devices to interact with each other through the network. I also learned about the advantages of computer network and its components. I also met Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn, the founders of Internet, who designed the Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol in 1970s. TCP/IP is a set of rules or standards that cover network communication, or what we call the network protocol, that enable communication between computers. If two or more devices in a network needs to communicate, they need to use common set of network protocols. Without protocols, devices would lack the ability to understand electronic signals they send to each other over network connections. In connection to us humans, and even a person can communicate to a Cebuano person unless they speak Filipino because that was the common language for them to use. We're also using TCP/IP when we are communicating through the use of the internet connection. We are able to connect by that. Internet is an electronic communications network that connects computer networks and organizational computers facilities around the world. I have also learned about the network policies such as acceptable use, disaster recovery, failover, archiving, and backup, in which they have their own use. Peer-to-peer network operating systems allow users to share resources and files located on their computers and to access shared resources found on other computers. All computers are considered equal. They have all the same abilities to use the resources available on the network. It is designed for small, medium, local area networks. This type of network is not applicable for a large group of computers because it's hard to manage the resources, but it is less expensive. Client-server model. Client-server network operating systems allow the network to centralize functions and application in one or more dedicated file servers. The file servers become the heart of the system, providing access to resources and providing security. Clients have the access to the resources available on the file servers. This is better than peer-to-peer because it is centralized, where resources and data security are controlled through the server. But unlike peer-to-peer, that if one computer don't function or malfunction, no affection may happen. But in client-server network, if one server malfunctions, operation will seize the network. I have also learned the different network media. Twisted pair cabling is a type of wiring in which two conductors of a single circuit are twisted together for the purposes of improving electromagnetic compatibility. There are two types of twisted pair, which was the unshielded twisted pair and the shielded twisted pair. UTP is both less expensive and less resistant to noise than STP, and it is more popular than STP because of its lower cost. They can both transmit at 10 megabytes to 10 gigabytes depending on the grade of cabling and the transmission method in use. In addition, during this online class, the best lesson I have learned is to be independent, to do your tasks be yourself, and to be more studious. Thank you so much for watching.